everyone, Myra here and welcome back to another video. For today, I've created this pink look right here. And I've been trying to find looks na pwedeng I've been trying to find looks na pwedeng i-incorporate sa everyday makeup natin. Yung, I wanted to put color sa everyday makeup. And I want to make it easy for you to follow. So this is something na it's pink, but you can wear it during daytime. Kasi hindi naman siya very overwhelming. It's quite toned down. And would you believe, itong look na to, itong eye makeup na to, I only did this with just 2 eyeshadows. So, without further ado, let's begin. So I've already prepped my face, moisturizer, and primer. So let's proceed to the foundation. So the foundation that I'm going to use today is PLK All Day Matte Liquid Foundation in the shade Sand. Ayan. So isi-spread ko lang siya ng fingers. And I'll be using the Mine na sponge. Ayan. I am loving this sponge. Kasi ang lambot-lambot niya. Tsaka ang bilis niyang linisin. By the way guys, meron akong ang pangit. Ano siya, natalsikan ng mantika. Ayan, sa muka. So, lapnos yung balat ko. Ayan, ang sakit-sakit niya. So, ingatan natin yung parte na yan. Next, for my concealer, I'll use the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind. Damay ko na rin yung lids. Next, to set my face, I'll be using the Spond's BB Magic Powder. Proceed na ako sa kilay. I'll be using the EB Advanced Eyebrow Kit. Ito hindi ko napapakita sa inyo because I've been doing this for a long time already. Alam niyo na kung paano ko siya ginagawa. So, babalik na lang ako for the eyes. So, I'm just prepping my lids. Kanina nilagyan na natin siya ng concealer. And then now, I'm using the Detail Makeover All Matte Eyeshadow Palette. And this shade right here, ayan yung pinaka-favorite ko na pang base sa eyelids. Kasi maganda yung color nito. It's like a banana color. Ayan. So, I'm putting this powder all the way up under the brows. Tapos hanggang sa crease line. So, this will help me blend out the eyeshadow that I'm going to use. Kasi dalawang eyeshadow lang yung gagamitin natin for today. So, using my Mars Beauty Glaze palette, I'm taking this shade right here. Medyo reddish pink siya. It looks like red-orange Japan, pero once you blend it out, meron siyang pink undertone. So, this is what we're going to use today. I'm just going to get a little at a time kasi very pigmented ito. And then, ilalagay ko siya sa crease line. So, starting off here. Just following the crease. Placing it a little bit above my crease line. As you can see, ito yung crease line ko. Slightly higher. Para pag dumilat ako, nakikita nyo pa siya. So, I'm just blending and blending everything, especially yung edges, para it will fade out beautifully. Kasi hindi na tayo gumamit ng transition shade. Kung wala kayong pink na eyeshadow, this can also work using a blush. Pwede nyo gamitin yung blush nyo for this kind of look. I'm getting my Jupiter Beauty Glaze palette, and dahil walang medyo light shade na shimmery dito, ayan, so dito tayo sa Jupiter dahil merong light na shimmer shade dito, this one. So, let me just give you a swatch para makita nyo. Ang ganda nito. So, this is how it looks like. Ayan. Shimmery siya, pero meron siyang pink na undertone. Ang ingay ni Miggy. Okay, so I'm just going to take this with my finger and then put it straight onto my mobile lid. Rekta na. Next, I'm just gonna put on liner, falsies, and mascara, and I will be back. Next, for my contour, my blush, and my highlight, I'll use everything from Sansan High Definition Face Sculptor. For my lips, I'll be using the Maybelline Pink For Me. And then, to finish off this look, I'm so excited kasi meron na ako ng locks na Beauty Mist by Anne Klutz. Sarap. This is our final look. Sana nagustuhan nyo. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and to subscribe to my channel if you still haven't. You may also follow me on my other social media accounts. I'm Myra Paneda on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you again on my next video. Bye! Hey, no, no.